Hello guys, what are you doing? What is that?
Oh, we're holding feet together right now.
Why?
Because I love you, girl.
Okay, let's do it. Let's do it, guys. We're gonna hold our feet together, okay? And you can't do anything about it. Excuse me, bago pedicure yan. Excuse me. Pedicure yan.
Ay!
What? What are you doing, bro? Ate! Don't be savage.
Miguel, tignan mo
I wanna be the third wheel. What? Maitim lang yan, di yan madumi! What? Is it okay with you, bro?
My toes hurt.
It's fine. Is that okay with you? That I wanna be a third wheel? Ah! Ate! Is it okay with you?
Pipin mo na lang, pipin.
I told you, even if you guys have a baby, I'm gonna live with you. Is that fine with you?
Yes, po.
Okay, ate! Alam mo sila, andun lang yung maayos kausap dito. Oh,
Maayos ka bang gumagalawan mo, puki ng ina naman, oh.
gusto ko lang makisali ah.
Ano, okay, wala
Oo.
namang problema. Doon wag mo kami atakan, makipag-holding fit ka rin.
Ayun, holding fit din yan oh. Holding toes. Is that okay, bro?
Yes, po.
But I'm okay,
Ate
salite.
Mikmik as a gorilla is as strong as a gorilla, right?
Diba?
Di ba? What will you say? What's the curse that you know here?
The words?
Yeah, the curse.
Oh, putain na nu.
Okay, let's just do this, okay?
Okay, po.
Ba't nung kasali na ako, parang ayaw mo? Si Landon okay lang.
Ang problema, bigat lang yung puki ng ina. May libag yan, sigurado kapag naiwan
Ba't ka ganyan, te?
There will be dead skin in our pit.
No,
Daddy,
no,
because
no,
Ate
no.
Mikmik will leave a dead skin of her skin cells in our
Why?
pit. Because
It's
she's,
on her underarm.
no. She has more
What?
dead skin.
I don't have
I
dead skin.
You have dead skin.
You wanna be dead?
She does.
What? What the hell is wrong with you? I will not send you pictures anymore. I will not send the pics of Ate Marie.
Marunong siya, Mi! Marunong siya!
Lumalaban. What's wrong with that? It's just a fit. It's just a foot.
The stretching fit, have you showed her?
What's wrong with you, bro? What is wrong with you? I'm just gonna go.
Bye.
I don't want to be in your relationship anymore. Bye.
Ay, naman.